Are you somebody who loves fun and fast-paced workouts? Or are you a busy person who does enough time to hit the gym? Well, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Archana, a life coach and a personal fitness trainer. Welcome to Health Equals Life, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you a few circuit workout training, which was shot when we were all visiting the gym before the lockdown. Yeah, what is circuit training all about? When you do not have the required time, say you have 20 to 30 minutes in a day or twice in a week to work out, either in the gym or at home with a pair of dumbbells, that's absolutely fine. It's not necessary to always hit a gym, as I told you in my last video. So if you have very less time, or if you're looking at fun and fast-paced workouts, then you can think of circuit training. Circuit training is very good to increase your mobility, stamina, and your muscle strength. So what is circuit training? When you do include a set of 6 to 12 exercises along with cardio, with a set of cardio workouts in your routine, that is what is called as a circuit training. Say you do a bicep curls and a jumping rope of 60 seconds as a combination. You can go to different workstations in a gym and do the repetitions of 12 to 25 reps of around 3 to 5 sets. So that's what circuit training is all about. In this video, I've included a circuit training which targets on the biceps, triceps, hamstrings, glutes, back, shoulders. So you can do any combination targeting any set of muscles along with cardio. I've not included cardio in this video. As always, start working out with a warm-up session which lasts at least from 5 to 10 minutes in the beginning, and then get on to your regular workouts. You can incorporate circuit training at least twice or thrice a week as part of your regular workout routine. The first one is a Smith machine bench press. It's a machine-based movement targeting the chest. It mimics a barbell but provides more stability. This movement can be programmed in low reps for strength or higher reps for muscle and strength endurance. It's often performed for moderate to high reps, such as 8 to 12 reps per set, or even more, as I already said, as part of a chest or upper body focused workout. The same can be performed with the help of a pair of dumbbells as well, as part of your home-based workout. So the benefits of machine bench press are: it adds size and strength to the chest and triceps. Many lifters find they feel the movement more in their chest and less in their shoulders than the traditional bench press. The bar moving on a track makes it easier to control as well. These are few benefits that you find on a machine bench press. The second one is the Smith machine shoulder press. It's a machine-based workout again targeting the deltoid muscles. The Smith machine mimics a barbell, but it provides more stability, and this movement can be programmed in low reps for strength or higher reps for muscle and strength endurance, as I already told you. It's often performed for moderate to high reps like 8 to 12 or even more as part of a shoulder or upper body focused workouts. Similarly, this can also be performed with the help of a pair of dumbbells. Few benefits of this exercise are: it adds size and strength to the shoulders, and you can press intensely without fear of dropping the bar. and the bar moving on a track makes it easier to get into position and control. The third one is a dumbbell bent over row. It's a popular exercise to develop and strengthen the muscles of the upper and middle back, like the latissimus, lower trapezius, and rear deltoids. It can work equally well in strength, muscle building, or circuit style fat loss workouts. Dumbbell bent over row has its own set of benefits, like it forces the core muscles to stabilize while the upper body is moving, and it trains the back and grip strength as well as hips and glutes from holding the bent over position. It also boosts the heart rate and creates a cardiovascular challenge during strength training. So it's one of my favorite workouts, and it's an amazing workout for training your back and grip strength. Next one is a goblet squat. It's a lower body exercise in which you hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell with both hands in front of your chest. It's the ideal squat variation to teach young athletes proper squat technique. However, it can be used to build strength for everyone. The benefits of goblet squats are it's a full body movement. They work your quads, calves, glutes, and entire core and your arms and grip strength because you're holding on to the weight. They're an awesome choice for people looking to tone their cores and increase their glute strength at the same time. The next one is a barbell biceps curls. When starting on a muscle building program, one of the key body parts that many people want to place a large focus on are the biceps. And when performing the barbell biceps curls, it allows you to overload those biceps with a heavy weight. Most trainees are slightly stronger when lifting a barbell versus a set of dumbbells. The biceps tend to be a highly noticed muscle group by others, so if you have nicely developed arms, people are going to know you're on top of your workout game. And this is a great one for maximum strength development. You can do preferably reps of around 8 to 12 or even more per set. The next one is an overhead tricep extension. Whether you want to have big arms, perform better in sports, or simply improve your upper body strength, the overhead tricep extension is a fantastic exercise to help you accomplish your goals. And as I already told you, people love getting their biceps done, but it's always good to concentrate on your triceps as well. The main benefit of the overhead tricep extension is the hypertrophy of the triceps that comes with the motion. Unlike other tricep exercises, the tricep extension activates all three heads of the triceps, which means that your entire triceps will become stronger through this exercise. And if you suffer from wrist pain or discomfort, the overhead tricep extension is ideal for you. Because you're standing during the overhead tricep extension, your core muscles engage to support your back and spine. As a result, this exercise teaches proper posture, a straight back, engaged core, and lifted shoulders. Even seated, to establish a full range of motion, you need to maintain proper posture. Thank you for watching, friends. Hope the video was really beneficial for you all. If you're not able to hit a gym, you can still incorporate the same circuit training with a pair of dumbbells and stretch bands at home. Or you can even do push-ups and squats along with cycling and walking for say 30 minutes. You can do any combinations. And those who are interested in home workouts, I am taking online classes as well. You can contact me, leave your comments down below with your contact number, or you can follow me on Insta or Facebook and contact me through email. I'm taking online fitness, maintenance and weight loss sessions. So, as I always end my video, please do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, like and leave your comments down below. Thank you for supporting me till today. Keep supporting me. I'll be coming out with more interesting content very soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.